It's Easter Sunday in Appling, Georgia, and what a day this could be. Tied at the lead, looking to take down the first major of the year, the top American in Paige Pierce. And the top European in Kristen Tatar. Who will take the Champions Cup? You'll find out live on the Disc Golf Network.
Around the tee, please. It's time for the 9:48 tee time to start the final round of the Champions Cup presented by Bushnell. Out of Pensacola, Florida, 7-time qualifier, including USWDGC champion Paige Pierce. Varnu, Estonia, Kristen Tatar.
This is it, Elaine, the biggest stage in the sport.
And she is our leader.
That's what she does, Elaine.
What a battle it's going to be today. Pressure putt after pressure putt.
Chance for Tatar to grab the solo lead. Takes advantage nicely, your new leader.
Back and forth and back and forth.
Kisses off the chains.
5 for me, 4 for them.
That's 1 more stroke lead for Tatar. Paige is putting for birdie. Opportunity to grab a stroke. Huge putt for the 5-time.
She is fighting. She wants to win the major.
She is so competitive. And with 3 left to play, Paige will find herself 2 back. And now Pierce, big shot coming up. Most aggressive putter on tour. Pierce closes the gap to 1 with 2 to play. Kristen will take a 1-stroke lead into the final hole of the Champions Cup. This is why you watch live on the Disc Golf Network for moments like this. For the win, Tatar. Oh, that is long. She now has that comeback or the push playoff. And your Champions Cup winner, Paige Pierce.
Whatever way it went, it was gonna be, sorry, one sec. Whichever way it went, it was gonna be a lifetime memory for me. And you know, this is awesome to have another major in my career, but even more so, just the last few events, just realizing like, I'm living the dream. I really am.